According to the FBI, each year healthcare fraud causes tens of billions of dollars in losses, and that can have a direct impact on you.
It can raise health insurance premiums, expose patients to unnecessary medical procedures, and increase taxes.
When a retired firefighter in Arizona received an unexpected package of medical supplies, scammers were trying to pull one over on him.
Reporter Susan Campbell digs into the con and explains what you should do if something shows up at your door.
It's just straps and...
Patrick Niehaus didn't order this package.
There's no instructions or anything.
And honestly, he doesn't even know what it is. Some type of brace, maybe?
I don't know how it goes.
Patrick had to sign for this package when it was delivered to his home.
That's my name, address, everything. So they've got all my information somewhere.
The return address appears to be from a medical equipment and supply company in New York. Records show the business was registered about a year and a half ago.
I'm thinking, this must be a scam or something.
He's on to something.
There are billions of dollars that Medicare spends every single year on Medicare fraud.
AARP's Dana Marie Kennedy says it's not just medical braces. People have reported getting all kinds of packages they didn't order, including supplies for diabetes.
Medicare fraud can be a very lucrative business. So it's up to each of us as individuals, especially Medicare recipients, to report it. That way they can catch them. Nothing is free. Somebody's getting billed.
That's what Patrick's worried about, too.
I don't know what it costs, but yeah, why should I have to pay it, or why should they have to pay it?
We reached out to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, which told us it's committed to preventing fraud.
A spokesperson said, quote, "If a person with Medicare receives items or services they did not order or authorize, or if they notice their Medicare summary notice includes items or services they did not order or receive, they should immediately contact 1-800-MEDICARE to report the situation."